Chief Minister Siddaramaiah attacks Karnataka governor after a prosecution approval. Siddaramaiah has said, and this is the first statement that is coming. Governor, he alleges, has become centre's puppet. This is a strong retort that is coming from the Chief Minister of Karnataka. Siddaramaiah is claiming conspiracy, that this is to destabilize the Congress government in the southern state, and says, I quote it here, Bharatiya Janata Party is unable to stand Congress government success and therefore there is this attempt to destabilize. So in the first reaction that has come in from Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, targeting the governor's office, saying that this governor has become centre's puppet and that BJP cannot even accept the success of the Congress party. I want to immediately bring in my colleague Anaga Keshav on the latest on that. Anaga, that's a strong remark that's coming in from the Chief Minister. What is happening? Why is he charging at the governor over this?
Well, clearly, Pooja, it's the governor versus government here in Karnataka. The government has vehemently opposed the government's order to give permission for prosecution of the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. But D.K. Shivakumar, who is also an aspirant for the Chief Minister's position, he has made his stand very clear. The kind of message that the entire Karnataka Congress cabinet is giving out is that at the time of crisis, if at all there is a crisis, then all of us will be one. We will set aside our differences and stand together in unity is the kind of message that the Congress government in Karnataka is giving out. In fact, D.K. Shivakumar also very clearly mentioned that all 136 legislators in Karnataka from Congress party will stand with Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, including myself. I will be his rock is the kind of message that was given by D.K. Shivakumar. Not just that, he even mentioned that including the Congress High Command and all the alliance partners of the India bloc, everybody will stand with Chief Minister Siddaramaiah is what they said. But the BJP at this point, they are demanding for Chief Minister Siddaramaiah's resignation. The BJP says that Siddaramaiah should take up moral responsibility for this entire scam and step down from his position is what the BJP is demanding. But D.K. Shivakumar himself has made it very clear that come what may, Siddaramaiah will not step down from his post as Chief Minister is the kind of strong message that's given out by the Congress.